Hello everyone, welcome back to GT Excel, and I hope you guys are having an amazing moment. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate or create student grade book, and also how to use XLookup to look up a value in a worksheet. So without further delay, please join me. Let's see the screen. This is called example screen, okay? And below this template are files that are already be saved, and this is the file we are going to be using on this tutorial because all the material we need for this tutorial to take place are already be saved in here. So I'll go ahead and click this is Excel environment, okay? And when you look closely into the screen, you will see that I've come up with a template, all right? And I don't want to bore you with too much work. Let's just go straight to today's activity. So we have student grade book followed by courses, all right, and below the courses we have overall scores, and on this course, which is chemistry, is either fail or pass. That's what the policy says, all right. And I've come up with grades of each student, all right. This is it. So on this part we have duplicate of all the courses, so I'll just go ahead and continue. For us to calculate each of the student's grade, all we need to do is to divide total grade score by overall score, all right. And how do we do that? All we need to do is just to start by typing equal sign. Here the first student here score 90 in maths, all right, which is math Chloe. So we'll click on say C4 divided by overall score, which is 100, all right. Then hit enter key. Automatically Chloe score 90%. For us to calculate for the rest student, all we need to do is just to draw down using this fill hand. This is it. I stopped here because I want to show you something, okay? Because our answer is way far beyond what we are expecting. How can someone who score 100 is giving us 111%? And that's not true, okay? And automatically this is called relative referencing error. Counting down 2 cells below and dividing 2 cells above it, okay? That's how it works. So for us to get the actual or correct answer, all we need to do, we need to convert this relative referencing error to absolute reference. Please, if you haven't watched any of my video, I will advise you to. And if you love this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to be notified, right, when I drop any related video. And please encourage this video and also encourage me, okay, by giving us a thumb up. So I will right click on this and clear content. This is it. I'll go back and input the formula afresh, okay. So I'll start by typing equal sign 90 divided by 100, but this time I'm going to change it to absolute reference. So how do we do that? All we need to do is just to press F4 on your keyboard. You can see I've locked it using $sign. So I'll hit enter key and still give us same answer. So all we need to do is just to drop down using our finger, right? That's it. Yep, good to go. So next in line is I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting, okay. Conditional formatting is an indication that tells us or shows us a student that is doing well or a student that is failing in a particular course, okay. So let's start from here, okay. I'll highlight now. So we're going to pick them one after the other. The reason is that the grades are not the same. So we need to pick them one after the other, because if we should pick all the courses and apply conditional formatting, it will give us error. All right, so we'll come straight to conditional formatting. This is where it is. But for you to get conditional formatting, you go to your home, okay, click, then locate your conditional formatting. This is it here. Then click. All right, then come to icon sets. Okay, so we're going to pick this. Let's pick this traffic set of lights. Okay, and click. That's it. You can see this particular cell is giving us bunch of pound sign, which shows that this cell is too small to hold such value. Okay, so all we need to do is just to what, double click for it to expand itself. All right, let's go straight to second one here, which is English. All right, go straight to conditional formatting, then click and go straight to click. So let's go straight to the third course, which is physics. Icon set, please don't forget, green stands for someone that is doing perfectly well in the class. This yellow stands for someone that is average, while this red stands for someone that is failing. All right, so I'll click. That's it. So let's go straight to this last one, which is chemistry. Okay, don't forget I said in chemistry it's either you fail or pass. So let's see those that fail chemistry and also those that pass chemistry. Click. Then so we have, okay, someone fail chemistry. Who is that? Lewis Blessing fail chemistry. So this shows that with a glance you can know those that are doing well in a class and those that are failing and those average students. Okay, so here we are done with this. So let's calculate for those that score below 50% on this using conditional formatting. On this session, we're going to calculate for all the students who score above 50% or below 50%. So we'll highlight and come straight to conditional formatting. Then you click on less than 50. Okay, less than, you can see it has already popped up because we are looking for those who score below 50. So click here. We have light red fill with dark red text. If you click here, you can use any of the color you want. Right, you can as well choose any color, but let's go with red. Right, so click OK. So we have how many students? Wow, we have 1 2 3 4 5 students that scored below 50. It's as simple as that. So let's see what we can do using all function to determine if we should give this student admission or not. Okay, so we're going to ask a logical question if we should give this student admission or not. Okay, so please let me expand this. Okay, this function we're going to be using all function. So how do we go about that? So all we need to do is start to type the comma equal sign, okay, or okay, this is it, that's popped up. Double click, we have a logical question 1, 2, and so on and so forth. If you love this video, subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to be notified. And also please give us a thumbs up, okay, very big one at that, just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. And also please, if you have any comment, please drop it at the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. Okay, so we're going to ask a logical question here. And how do we do that? First, we're going to click on this first percent, okay, lesser than 50%, which is 0.5, okay, semicolon, click on this second one, which is English, okay, lesser than 0.5, semicolon. You click them one after the other, all right, lesser than 0.5, semicolon. Then the last one is K4 lesser than 0.5. Then close your parentheses. It's giving us false. Now when you say false, meaning there are no scores here that are less than 50. They are all above 50. Okay, so all we need to do is just to click and drag down. That's it. Now the question here is that how do we know set of students to be given admission based on their performance, especially when you are being faced with a large set of data? Okay, so conditional formatting is going to help us to do this. The question we're going to ask here, we'll just go straight to conditional formatting. All right, locate highlight cell rules and click on equal to true. That's what we're going to type, because we are looking for set of students that did not gain admission based on their performance. Okay, don't forget false are the students that gain admission. Okay, so we're going to type true, okay, and hit enter key. All right, so we have 5 students to be sent home because they didn't perform well. So somebody like young Blake, successfully we have used conditional formatting to make a decision using Microsoft Excel. Please, if this video add value to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button, all right, so that you'll be the first person to be notified when any other related video drops. And please give us a thumbs up just to encourage this video and also encourage me as a person. So we are through with this. Next is XLookup, and I've told you earlier on that XLookup, it helps to look up a value in a worksheet, especially when you have a large set of data. Okay, so this is the duplicate of what we just worked on. Okay, this is it. So I just copied it and paste it here because I want the work to be easy. All right, so all we need to do is just to click here and insert. All right, that's it. So we can go ahead now and do what we want to do. So here we'll click, because I want to show you how to use XLookup. When you go a little bit further, you see that all the courses we have here are already here. How do we do that? First, all we need to do is just to type the comma equal sign X. Okay, you can see it has popped up. This is XLookup. Okay, double click. Okay, and we have lookup value. What is our lookup value? Our lookup value is this cell. I'm going to break it down for you because that empty cell, that's what will be imputing names of the student that will need their grades, followed by semicolon. Then what's our lookup array? Lookup array is the name of the student, so we can't use the two names, so we're going to pick one of the names. So I will advise we pick this. Okay, use your shift and control key plus your arrow down key on your keyboard. All right, then followed by semicolon. So now we have return array. What's our return array? Return array is the grade of the student. Okay, and this is the grade we are looking for. Okay, the grade is called, so we'll click and then highlight. That's it. Then close your parentheses. Here we have NA, which simply means not available or not accessible. The reason is that because we have not impute name here. All right, so let's go ahead and impute any name. Blessing. You can see this is Blessing score. If your boss should walk up to you, please, I need Blessing score, and you have a set of data, a large set of data rather, 2000, all you need to do is just to use XLookup to what? To pick out or to look up to that particular value that your boss is asking of you. Okay, it's very simple, and if you can do that, I believe your boss will give you a thumbs up as well, because he or she will know that you know what you are doing. All right, so now for us to go more, let's remove this name and put Cleo or Effie. Okay, hit enter key. You can see it has changed. So Effie is one of those that will be given admission because it's called 50, 80, 90, and 100. I'm breaking it down for you because I want you to understand it. Okay, please, if you have any topic in mind that you want me to work on, please kindly drop it at the comment section, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you. All right, and turn on the notification button because I want you to see every notification that drops from me whenever I drop a video. I don't want you to miss out. All right, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.